Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of Chat GPT, an incredible language model developed by OpenAI. Whether you're a curious user or a business looking to enhance customer interactions, stay tuned as we explore the ins and outs of Chat GPT. Chat GPT, powered by the revolutionary GPT 3.5 architecture, is designed to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It's like having a conversation with a virtual assistant that understands context, nuances, and can provide information on a wide range of topics. Using ChatGPT is as simple as typing a message. Just enter your text, and ChatGPT responds in a conversational manner. It can be accessed through OpenAI's API or used on various platforms that integrate the technology. Now, let's talk about the goods. Whether you're enhancing your writing, revolutionizing customer service, or exploring creative endeavors, ChatGPT is here to assist you. Thanks for joining us today. Go ahead, start chatting with ChatGPT and unleash the power of seamless conversations.